Beets. That's right. I grow my own. Well, this is pretty small, but it will work. This is what you call beets, the plant itself. And the veggie at the bottom is beet root. It's the root of beets. All right? And it's very good for you. When you see really big, it's not organic. Beets are small. So therefore, this is what you do. You peel them and eat them fresh. Why? Because they're good for you for energy. Whenever you feel like you want coffee, don't do coffee. Grab you some beets. Peel it and eat it raw. It improves your liver. They always say that beets have a lot of sugar in it, not organic beets. Because there are two types on the market. There are GMOs and they're organic. How you know the difference is the organic one is pretty small. The big ones, that's where the sugar is. This is good for your cataract if you have cataract. It detoxifies your body. It prevents strokes. Improve your sex drive. Yes, I said it. It's true. But natural is the way to go. Have a great day, all. Thanks for visiting. Bye.